stocks a little changed most of the day until around 3 p.m. New York time. So what happened? They suddenly fell lower. We've got Deborah Kostroun joins us from the NYSE to figure out what went on in today's trading session. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. A lot of selling near the close, particularly in those financials. And there was a lot of news coming out today about the Wall Street firm. First of all, New York prosecutors are probing 8 different firms over whether they misled rating companies about the mortgage-backed securities. Also, the Wall Street Journal reporting that federal prosecutors and the SEC sending more subpoenas to Wall Street firms. In addition to all that, the Senate also approving a proposal as part of the financial overhaul legislation that would create a ratings board. So regulators will be deciding who rates asset-backed securities because of all this concern about the conflicts of interest and what we just saw selling across the board, but really accelerating in that last hour, Pimm.
All right, but Deborah, let's talk about retailers. We know that sales at retailers have been trending, well, higher, but slowly. But we saw some big drop in the shares of Kohl's today, and those numbers from Nordstrom not so encouraging.
That's exactly right. And we do get retail sales tomorrow that will certainly be closely watched. But at least from Kohl's, shoppers do seem to be spending right now, but they're a little bit more careful. Kohl's one of the worst performers, saying that not only for the year they're going to be disappointing, but also for the second quarter, their forecast will not be matching up. So Kohl's certainly a disappointment today. Urban Outfitters, the biggest drag in the S&P. Same thing, Urban Outfitters, the CEO talking about a slow, lengthy economic recovery. Also remember JCPenney reporting those earnings tomorrow. In Nordstrom, we were just showing the graphic on that. Lower in extended trading. This was after reporting their first quarter profit, missing analyst estimates. Profitability certainly not there as much as the analysts had projected. Back to you in the studio, Pimm.
All right, thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun. As you can tell there, Nordstrom shares down 3% in the after-hours market.